Hi, I'm Lindsey Estes. As one of the co-founders of Vox Nutrition, I've been deeply immersed in the health industry for over 15 years. It's been an incredible journey, and I'd like to share a bit about my role as the Chief Experience Officer, or CXO for short. Being the CXO means I'm dedicated to enhancing every aspect of the customer and employee experience within our company. Whether it's optimizing our products, services, or the working environment for our dedicated team, I'm here to ensure that every interaction with Vox Nutrition is nothing short of exceptional. But what does that mean? Well, I like to think of myself as a catch-all project manager. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working in virtually every position within our company. I've rolled up my sleeves, filled in the gaps, and gained a deep understanding of our operations. This unique perspective allows me to streamline processes, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately make Vox Nutrition the best it can be. Vox Nutrition is not just a business-to-business company, it's a partnership. I'm here to ensure that every interaction within our company, whether you're a customer or part of our team, is nothing short of exceptional. Thank you for considering Vox Nutrition, and I look forward to being part of your journey to the success in the supplement industry.